Hello, these short videos were created to introduce Columbus functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using simple examples, we'll highlight key Columbus functionality that's being used by the process industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of processors and their product lines. Columbus has the solution, experience, and support to meet processors' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights some of Columbus's sales and purchase module enhancements. Columbus's sales order guide gives processors insight into their customer sales history, extending the possibility for cross or upsell at the point of sales order entry. The items displayed in the order guide are controlled by filters at the top of the form. A check mark in historical and using the history period value will filter for items with historical sales data sold during that period. Populating the quantity to order and possibly the order unit of measure sets up for the order guide, and once complete, the user selects Add Lines to bring this data back to the sales order. Columbus offers the same order guide functionality under purchasing as well. Processors may need functionality to accrue for marketing plans, such as a rebate or a promotion. Processors are able to set up and keep track of these programs using Columbus's marketing granule. Likewise, complex commission calculations, including splitting commissions, is possible with Columbus's commissions granule. The functionality here is extensive, including deduction management, so please inquire to find out more. Columbus Food offers processors standing sales orders. These are template orders for the same items and the same quantities, possibly created based on the same delivery schedule. Starting and ending dates give an effective date range. Order frequency and next order dates are used for auto-generating sales orders, usually in Columbus's delivery trip scheduling module. In contrast, the user can manually generate sales orders from a standing order itself. Columbus's sales contracts give the processor the benefit of setting up individual cards for each contract, giving a greater level of organization. Quantity limits can be defined in two ways, based at the contract and then item level. For the processor, the primary purpose of working with sales contracts is to define and prioritize different sets of customer-specific pricing conditions, which become available at the time of order entry. It is possible to instruct NAV to direct customers to order only those items for which a contract price exists. Processors who require flexible sell price calculations and promotional discounts and who need readily available price changing methods will come to rely on Columbus's enhanced pricing features that are maintained and updated efficiently. Columbus's cost-based pricing tool gives the processor flexibility in determining cost values from which sales prices are calculated, including external values, such as a commodity's market price. Columbus's break charges are dollar amounts added to the price when a sales unit is split into a smaller quantity. In addition, Columbus has extended functionality to allow price order at shipment, if an order date and a shipment date will differ. Columbus also offers off-invoice allowance, a discount on the sales invoice itself, and can be based on weight, volume, quantity, or amount. And Columbus has delivered pricing, a sales price that includes the cost of a calculated freight amount as part of the value. Processors must maintain quality of ingredients, and to ensure quality, they rely on Columbus's approved vendor functionality. If an item has been set up to require vendor approval, only a vendor that has been marked as approved can be assigned as the item's default purchase vendor. A purchase order is created and assigned a vendor. Any item for which approval is required must be approved for that vendor before it can be assigned on that purchase line. Attempting to assign an unapproved item to a purchase order will result in the program informing the user that the action is not allowed. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.